It bears repeating that software development is very different from repeatable processes in manufacturing and service industries. So why are Kanban boards a good idea when so many management methods with origins in manufacturing businesses are inimical to successful software development? A closer look reveals both key differences and interesting similarities in the use of Kanban in agile practices and the way Kanban is used in manufacturing. Kanban in manufacturing is a type of lightweight manufacturing requirements planning, or MRP. Kanban is designed to make what sounds like a dauntingly complex process simple and readily understandable to the people on the factory floor. By making problems in MRP simple to understand and readily visible, it is much more likely that those problems get noticed and solved. Solving MRP problems is important because in large-scale manufacturing like automobile factories, tens of millions of dollars in capital can get tied up in the stock of components and materials waiting to be used or in process. In addition to tying up capital, the larger that stock of manufacturing inputs, the more likely they are to be wasted because of changes in products or demand for those products. Kanban is a kind of pull system. When component stocks run low, and only when they run low, new stocks are ordered. Kanban is a visual system where colored bins or cards on a Kanban board are used to track stocks of components. Agile software development project management is also a pull system. Tasks from the to-do list or backlog are pulled into the Kanban board as the people to implement those tasks become available. Using Kanban boards in Agile practice makes task status more visible to the whole team, and that makes planning and iteration benefit from informed input from the whole team.